got this awesome AQQA magnetic brush. Let's do it.
Here is the AQQA Dolphin Series magnetic brush. Unboxing this was pretty awesome, and using this is awesome. So out of the box, it's pretty straightforward. You get your nice little manual. You can learn all about it there. And here's your magnetic brush. Now these magnets are very nice and strong. I'm gonna go ahead and let that magnetize. Listen, that was pretty cool. Let's do it one more time. That's what I'm talking about. And here are your nice little scrapers there. Nice plastic, won't scrape your glass or acrylic. And here's one of your pads there. Very nice material as well. And you got a nice little felt pad for the other side as well. And I just had to magnetize that. Now you can clip your nice little blade there, which is pretty nice. And it'll clip on, and if you don't want to use that, you can simply just press this nice little tab button like so and take it off, and this thing will always float. So I did it floating halfway, and then I put it all together even with the handle, and it still floats on top, so it'll never sink to the bottom. And now I go ahead and test this out on the glass, and this thing cleans the glass like nobody's business right there. It's so nice and clean. After I actually got some of this film algae off of my glass, it made my aquarium look so clear. It looks like my fish are nice and floating from the glass. And I also tested it on another aquarium as well to make sure it was working properly. Even used the scraper to get some of those hard stains off of my glass. But overall, this will leave your aquarium looking nice, clean, and pristine, and you can enjoy your aquariums for a long time to go. Definitely love this thing.